Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Rhino tutorial how to make surface from cube. So as example I will draw cube and click at these icons, control point cube, and I will create in front plane this, press enter to apply, and then you can copy the cube object. I will copy into here. Now if you want to make surface from this cube, you can use a loop surface. Click at this drop down menu in the surface creation, and you can click loop. So you can select these two cubes, and then you can press enter. So it will be create surface, but you can see this is not create for the normal. You can click lines cube, and then I will set lines into here like this. You also can create for another options, like in here I will draw again cube in this point, and in another side cube. Now if you want to create surface from this cube sketch, you can click again drop down menu, and then we can choose this option surface from 2, 3, or 4 edge. You can click and you can select 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it will be create surface. Okay, that's it for basic Rhino tutorial how to make surface from cube. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.